Want to customize your Livestorm profile but not sure where to start? This quick guide will show you exactly how to do it. By the end of this video, you'll have a polished Livestorm profile that stands out, making it easier to host professional webinars, events, and meetings. Stay tuned because we're also sharing an exclusive offer that you can't get anywhere else. Let's dive right in. The first step in customizing your Livestorm profile is to log in. Once you're in, head over to your profile settings. This is where you can personalize everything from your name and photo to your bio and social media links. A solid profile picture makes all the difference, so choose one that's professional and clear. This is your chance to make a strong first impression with your audience. Next, let's focus on your display name. This should be your full name or the name your audience is most familiar with. Keep it simple and professional, as this will be visible during your webinars and meetings. Now head over to the bio section. Here's where you can add a brief description of who you are and what you do. Keep it short but informative. It's important to showcase your expertise in a way that makes people want to listen to you. You can even link to your website or social profiles here, making it easy for your audience to connect with you outside of Livestorm. Don't forget about the branding. Livestorm allows you to upload your logo, which is crucial if you're representing a business or brand. Make sure your logo is clear and fits within the platform's guidelines. This adds a layer of professionalism to your profile and gives your webinars a consistent visual identity. Another important customization feature is the theme of your profile. Livestorm lets you adjust colors, fonts, and the overall layout of your profile page. If you're hosting multiple events, this can be an excellent opportunity to match the look and feel of your brand, making sure everything aligns with your company's style guide or your personal brand. Social media integration is a powerful way to boost engagement. You can link your profiles directly to your Livestorm profile, allowing your attendees to follow you with just a click. This is particularly useful for building your audience and keeping them updated on future events or webinars. As you update your Livestorm profile, always remember to check for any updates or changes to the platform's customization features. Livestorm is known for regularly adding new tools to improve user experience, so staying up to date ensures you're always ahead of the game. Lastly, don't forget that your profile should always reflect who you are and the value you offer. A well-tailored Livestorm profile is not only a way to introduce yourself, but also a marketing tool. It can help you attract more attendees to your events, build trust, and make your interactions more engaging. And here's something you'll want to stick around for. You can use Livestorm completely free from the first link below, and we've secured exclusive bonuses for you if you sign up through it. You'll get an extended trial to explore all the customization features and more. By now, you should have a solid understanding of how to customize your Livestorm profile and make it stand out. Take these tips, apply them to your profile, and watch how they help elevate your events. Remember, a strong profile is one of the first steps to creating professional, engaging webinars that leave a lasting impact. So don't forget to check out the link below for your exclusive offer. Get started with Livestorm today and take full advantage of that extended free trial.